push it down. You take the cookie cutter, you push it down in the bread like a cookie dough. Push it down. When you think it's ready to take it up, like so.
And then once you peel off the excess, you have to spread the butter on it.
The jelly.
Which is actually jelly, yeah.
Yeah, the jelly.
You need to spread the jelly slash butter on
I'll
it.
be right back. I need to throw this in the trash.
She's a rounder. She's a rounder.
Then you take the mold out and make sure it's perfectly fine.
Now we gotta spread the butter slash jelly on it.
You take the jelly,
The butter.
then you spread it on there.
Like butter. Butter.
Come on, spread.
Butter. Come on, spread jelly slash butter. Butter. Butter.
My camera lady is very weird today.
The motor. Look at the motor. It's a motor.
You spread it on like so.
Spread the motor on like so. The butter. The motor. We're having trouble spreading the butter.
No, I'm almost done spreading the butter.
The motor. The butter is very jiggly and jelly-y.
Okay, and then you take the other piece, then you plop it on top.
Plop it.
I need to do that again. Plop it.
Plop it.
You just plop it on top, then you press it down. Press the sandwich down.
And then you got your perfect butter sandwich. And now you can eat it. Well,
Yeah.
not right now.
Hey, not right now.